No, what can I get for you? Cheek meat.
Salami, pineapple, fried onion.
Pineapple, KFWE. KFWE is ein Event einmal ein Jahr, gemacht für warm, für food, wie Menschen kommen her von Chassinen, was haben sie schon getan. Zum von der Weib, some overseas meeting, was a little essen, stamm get the food. Auch sind wir gekommen, für sehr special Sache. Zwiegolviger, hat eine Company, was heißt Sizzle Slice. Etwas special. Jeder eine macht Meat Pizza, regular Pizza. So haben Gevrus, komm mal rup zu dir. Und man macht Pizzas bei der Event. Was wir den Bucher macht keiner nicht. Von scratch, Pizza auf dem Platz, gehargete Bucher. So Zwie, let's talk about it.
My sister bought me a pizza oven as a joke on Hanukkah.
How old were you then?
I was 14.
You know what I used to do when I was 14? We used to rip, guys on Mazda for the Deures, we used to take, even though CD players were out already, but you couldn't do this on CD, we used to take tapes. You know what tapes are? So we used to put on one side Daddy, because Daddy was still Ooser then, and on the other side you put Yosef Chaim Greenwald. And what happened was, we used to listen to Daddy, but these newer tape recorders, you press the button, it switched to the other side. So when we saw the Magachi come, we pressed the button. So it went, and then pop. You see it? So when did you decide to go into business? How long ago did you open your business?
Well, it's my 30th, probably 3 years ago, just about.
You started your business when you were 15?
Yeah.
No, what can I get for you? Cheek meat?
Salami, pineapple, fried onion.
Pineapple. Alloy?
I'm on.
Fine. Arege. This is my therapy now. You know that this is the new thing for young people. I think I'm gonna bring this home. Every time my wife is nervous, I give him Thai. Zwei show my English. I have a son with ADHD. This is what he's doing now.
That's
The new thing.
why I love doing it.
That's why he went into the business, bro. Okay, what are we doing?
Okay, now what we're gonna do? You want a nice puffy crust, right? You
Yeah.
don't want to touch the center. You don't want to touch the crust. You just push down,
Lower the center.
just the center.
Why? What does this do?
So what you're doing, you're pushing all the air to the crust. So you get a nice crispy, crunchy.
All the young people know how to do this when you put a new screen protector on your phone. Get the ballies a roos, Gevre. Okay, yeah, it's
And
no.
Flip it over once.
Dezelfde
Do the
zaak?
same thing. Just wanna
Yeah. Fine.
push it
Okay,
down,
no.
flip it back. Now what you want to do?
Alright.
Make it fit. You want to hold it just at the end.
Zo.
Yeah. Then just stretch out a little bit and then spin it.
Wow.
Throw it up. Hold it like
No,
this.
hold it like this.
You want to spin it.
Ah, fine. That's it.
Okay. Now you want to take a little flour.
Okay, jetzt. Like in the flour,
Ja.
fine. Okay. Ausspreiten.
We'll put it down.
What's up, bro? We good?
And now take a little
What is this? Barbecue sauce?
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't you use regular tomato sauce? Because it's different.
Different. Take a
Different.
barbecue sauce.
Okay,
It's a little
fine.
sweeter with the meat.
Ja, warte.
Take one
Because I'm
spoon.
gefragt de schale, because didn't really have what to ask.
Okay. Just gonna put it out. Take like a
Alloy.
half a scoop.
Alloy? That's
Oh.
it?
That's it.
Fine.
You like chick meat? Or you
Yeah,
like
cheek
the
meat.
goat
Abada.
This one's broiled. It's bubbled.
Deze cheek meat?
Yeah. Full
Dan
chicken.
tata wil cheek meat. Hoe snel
Not
Kim
too
doen?
much, but it's good.
Too
You
much?
like
That's van tata, I don't care.
Yeah.
Okay, so what are we doing now?
You like with fried onions? With
Ja,
the
je
meat?
gaat die fried onion,
A
or
little
some
fried
egg.
onions.
Just eggplant?
No.
Nah, that's shoot. That's no eggplant. You're in sugar for eggplant. My wife sent me out. The judge ordered anger management. This is part of my therapy.
So we're gonna take it. We're just gonna make it a little bigger. So we're gonna take it from the bottom.
Yeah.
Stretch it out a bit. I got a
Ah,
full pie.
fine.
Okay. Now we're
Yeah,
gonna
dan
bring it
dat is ook pineapple. Ooh, nice. Okay, so what are we doing now?
We're gonna bring it to the oven.
Yeah,
It's an indoor. You get to about 850 degrees. We're gonna put it in.
850 degrees and that's it. Wie lang neemt het?
5 minutes.
12 minuten?
No, it's fine. It's fine.
2 minuten and that's it. Wo is dit zich though? Kijk zo, this is sourdough.
So you see how now when you're
So-
pressing it out,
Right.
see how you got these
So
nice.
sourdough had aan malen zat de gesoer. De malen is als ze weigen. De gesoeren is als ze weigen. You got what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's for mensen, we zijn lief. In zijn babas hebben mensen aangereid aan de cross. Dat ligt dus. Hak je kop. De cross op een gegeven van de feigelijk paarsje samen. Ins essen we de zaak. Kijk eens zo. Zodat maar iemand die bron kijkt voor het wijzig in deze is.
We cut it in half. You want to cut it hard?
Yeah.
Split it.
Zie. Sweet Heavenly Lord.
So the one more time over here.
Doe als ooit.
Yeah. Now we're gonna put in a little bit. This is a honey Dijon, a homemade honey Dijon.
Honey Dijon. Dat is dit
Just a
zo.
little bit. There we go.
That's it?
That's it.
Dus eerst.
That's all it needs.
Weggebroken.
Maybe with water. Whatever you want.
Wel.
Bias. I'm gonna taste it. You're biased.
Dit is een zaaigen.
Doesn't get much bias.
Kim, nem. It's good. Hallo. It's a cheek meat. Go for it. Take. Hallo. Tati, come here. Cheek meat and onion. Zaaigen.
Thank you. Thank
De sourdough is white. Maar ze sterk in dezelfde tijd. Deze is aan man, dus ook gesmoord zijn braces aan feminine side. Nee, dit is the next level. De cheek meat is een geween ready en deze ook weer ready, want ze hebben een extra caramelization. Deze giet hem. And you get this by any event, right?
You have to request for the cheek, but everything else we have. We have brisket, we have shawarma. we have
Wow. This you
pastrami.
made fresh over here?
This is the shawarma.
This is shawarma. Everything you made fresh.
Everything is fresh.
Have it up, sizzle and slice for the next event. Als je het niet doen, wie wist die?
848-329-9947.